Wall of my structure caught fire. Now, we'll go deal with that. Wouldn't be a winter camp out if I didn't catch my structure on fire at least once. Let's see how these moose ribs are doing. If you want to know if they're done, you squeeze the end, and if the meat's pulled off the end of the bone, then you know they're done. And this one is done. This is from the moose I shot this fall. Oh, I like moose ribs. Oh. Oh, that was good. So messy though. My hands are so dirty. The only clean spots are where I was touching my food. I gotta keep working on this knife.